Hey, this is Keith, Plumbing Service Manager at Assured Comfort and licensed master plumber. Just a quick video about water distribution and water drainage. So under your sink here, you'll see the P-trap. This is part of your drainage system that ultimately goes out to the sewer, so it takes water away. And your water distribution here is your pressurized water that comes to your faucets, toilets, etc. If you have any issues with your drainage or your water distribution, give us a call and we'll get it fixed.